ebusunya kase gist Eeii say Kennedy akompre ko Japan ono nko contract onya wo eye energy sector no nsɛm usi ebusunya me say baba yi video bi a kire wo in there so akoso TikTok live na kire say in some of the good judges in Japan ska onya wo energy sector no ebusunya say oni nsa o ka kire Ghana nsɛm TV edi am je so ya promise ebusunya yamba wure ne ko tie nsɛm a omo tutu dwa no TikTok eni nsɛm wo mo ka fa Kennedy Japan ko to ya no ho na ewia baba di ho nkomo
Chiri dear, wonya 751,380,000 958. Unkwa nipa ba ko Kennedy Japan. Unkwa wo contractor wonya wo ECJ. Yes, sir, many upper within MPP 8 years. Unkwa sika wonya over 700 million. Eti ye kaso obi ye selfish. So obi a moi a grassroots, it should be you. Because na wonya pese minkuminya. And can work pilot contract ka beka se there be monche na bi nso wo maka ne so enso wonko a wo gieye wonko na wabusuafo wo ne wo ma na mudidi eye na wo wia na betena TV so aga man men me makọ Ivy League schools MPP na twia so wo makọ Ivy League schools a MPP aban na twia ya ma wo makọ Ivy League schools. And I meme wo and dime mako 100 MPP mu and wunya dime 100 no. Enti say dime 100 na wonku anipa baako. Waji aboso Kennedy Japan wo won no. So wonku once sa contract we ya. Enka grassroots na omuni chimben ho damu no. Ayo betimi de nsese ne bo say grassroots mi chimben ho we eye mia media. Enka wonku wo dime 100 di enka grassroots grassroots for ebetimi anya chimben ho any one bedroom apartment ewum. You are a wicked man. You are selfish and a self-centered man. It is all about your interest. It is all about what you will get. It is all about samine nyadia eni emma obia. Why you selfish, papa? When you're selfish, and ka won kasa yemu, she kasa ya, kasa fiya wuka in 2023, Emma MPP anya attractive. Wado munsem, ena ni ya campaigner, ya body tia MPP in 2024. Sansem we nyina, ne, what's that wo hu ebia, and say the same thing you did in 2023. Papa de na when you
no abrem, why? Ye kasa makuma oguro obakasa ni na
akode kasa ye no from esuru besi from 5 minutes
yeah me that's for time to me so say be obi abefa ya bi na program na ye de he me de akua enya me honwa say honorable Kennedy Japan all of the sudden what done in echi ama MP na ye see ye de ye na nya da ye nya ofaye alanchemati bibi ye and alanchemati supporters can say na nado dan kwakufu adu efeli ye wo crying baby politician ye kan wasema no wa free party ni yakopo wa chone ye de waba na de chen wa free ni yakopo I think say 3 consecutive time and sana or finally ye see ya brew kodoka salary we are fed up ya brew and we free mu. And now, Munachita for no, make assumption say, Nanado Danko for the failure. Yet I must say, Yami Shrow, one lanko Dutch Martin, yet the trade ministry, Emma. You were more than a prime minister. The open and now ye. What D1F, you couldn't come live on television to tell us where the 1D1F could be located. It took some of us, we useless people now, it took some of us going run. Taking pictures to post it. Meanwhile, your website, you couldn't even provide the 1D1F factories in your building, It was as a result of that, and I would say MPP. And then, on the followers, agent ho be alleged Mahmoud Bawumia, and then another dan kwaku for atem. Murefree, so you people couldn't even pinpoint a single one factory. Giant out of one way, fact-based network. Even sometimes we can go to people's DM seeking for information to tell people. Say nana some of you will reply our messages there. Nyankopon ne hata shiri one na onim. Nyankopon na hata shiri one na onim. Kwasi kwatin wo na do dan kwakufa do commission 8 schools in a day. Bisa kwasi kwatin say okwa ekosi same program no could he talk about it? What to me anka? You let OB brush that thing under the carpet. And then you are going to spend your words on Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia. Mudi blame me man say Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia and I may lose. When you people had the information we needed to campaign, why were you people? Who kwasi kwati? You were a typical example. Steka, you were the deputy minister for finance. Steka, see ye feli sika sema. Steka, you were part. Utise elewa yon twa, wo seka, you were part. You equally contributed to our defeat. Were you able to explain to the ordinary Ghanaians to say, it is as a result of the exchange rate, it was as a result of that, and those Fordwood MPP NDCs paddling in a intro, were you? And now what's the cow the blame you come about me? God is watching all of you. When you had the mandate, you could explain to the ordinary Ghanaians and say, and some night this if we can, and Toronto, were you? Say, ye abasubodi mama Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia. Musi mayo ye Germano, and I'm me Germano, ye Germano, but opportunity ye show one sir as a deputy finance minister. What did you do with it? Steka, what did you do with it? God is watching all of you. Honorable Kennedy Agyapong, your sister contract amount. Contract, unprecedented contractor, BCMPP. We made you a billionaire. We MPP, we made you Kennedy Agyapong. Yenama wuye Kennedy Agyapong. Kufua, starting from President Kufua. And now we will grow on to say, who deep and Libiatan were parts in him. President Akufo, I will give you showdown. Or then, Nipana also man showdown. No. Listen, just after Seb, I will give you showdown. Yes, I'm our contract. Check the date. His last contract. Check it. Just after that, I will give you showdown. That date now, yes, I'm our contract. Whoa. And now we see MPP for failing. It's your famra. Na minimo.
In some shishadaka mu papa. In some shishadaka mu. It's never back open in your contract when you are. On no real or 10 years around our catcher will say. Party no and grassroots. But on in your contract nina. What you say? On your contract nina. But on where you are the catcher will say party no and grassroots. Now so no on in your contract nina or on the grassroots no. On in your contract nina. I was uncle grassroots. Sheska yeboso. Sheska yeboso. Contract on yaye. Any sky busunya yeboso. I'm even surprised. When your contract, we munina. Contract was I'm there 2 nominal. Now, Honorable Kennedy Agyapong energy sector a year contract. Item number 1, supply of 150 watts LED a year street light, complete with a year arms, bolts, nuts and washer. Company name, Inspired World Ventures. Contract sum 101,260,000. 2017 on our contract. No. Supply of then conductors and pole top accessories. So like we talk can in abomwa a sum of 751,380,958 dollars. And you see this so dollars. The other one a supply of pole and top accessories. I don't know different you know. Back here 20,424,250 dollars 2018. Back on so here 54,260,800 2018. Back on so a year 22,018,000 dollars 2018. Back on 23 million, 71 million, 47 million. Ebusuya esewani Kennedy Agyapong contract no kwanya no. contractor ono nkwanya ye no Ovia no abeka chira o say aban na mboa delegates grassroots mama adwenda okay Japan you to for I'm telling you I'm authority contractor ono nkwa as one person no unyaye